No matter what slots you install your RAM modules into, well, it actually does quite a bit. Because not only are some motherboards really picky on where you install your RAM, I typically recommend checking your motherboard manual or on the actual board itself if it labels what slots to use first, in this case slots 2 and 4, that's the ones you want to use to ensure that you're running in dual channel memory. Because if you install your RAM modules like this, we'll actually be running in a single channel setup rather than a dual channel setup if we just had it configured properly. And what this means is that we only have one lane of communication between the CPU and RAM compared to two if we actually had it configured properly. If we run performance test 11 in this configuration, we'll see that we only get a 2027.9 compared to when we have things properly configured where we get a 2362.7, which is a nice little free increase in performance by just setting up our RAM properly. If you want to avoid this issue altogether, the first thing I would recommend is actually check your motherboard to see if it's actually labeled what slots you should use. You can also consult the motherboard manual. That will have all the information that you need there, but for the most part, generally, it's slots 2 and 4 are the ideal setup for any kind of configuration for these motherboards.